Hello, it's Brent with Leverage Lean, back again with another macro video. In this video, I want to show you an Excel macro that's going to allow you to copy multiple Excel workbooks into one. Let's see it in action. Alright, let me show you the copy multiple workbooks into one by navigating to Excel, and I'm on the Details tab, which is going to serve as the guide for this macro. Based on the information you put out on this tab, the macro will behave accordingly. The first thing I'm going to look for is the folder path indicated in this cell here. Now, looking at this folder path, I'm looking for all of the file types that contain the phrase Microsoft Excel. You can see I have 4 file types out here with that phrase, and this will also work for CSV files and macro-enabled files. All of the other file types will be ignored. Now, working down the Details tab, I'm also looking for answers to the following questions. Do you want to copy from all of the workbooks listed in the folder path? Within those workbooks, the first tab or all of the tabs? Or do you want to just do specific workbooks? And you're going to list those here with the names of those workbooks here. So let me show you how this macro works. I'm using just the first tab or the active tab that's currently selected within these workbook names here. If I click copy multiple workbooks on my macros custom group, I'm then just going to pull in the information from those workbooks and that first active tab. Now, if I make some updates to the Details tab, instead, I'm going to select all of the workbooks in the folder path. I'm then going to clear out the first tab and then select all of the tabs within each one of those workbooks. Another cool thing about this macro, if you've already enabled the tabs from existing workbooks, all of you're doing is updating it with the most current information. You can see here I already have 2 tabs that are going to exist when I run this macro, but I'm not recreating them. I'm just updating them with the most current information. Alright, so if I run this macro, you're going to see immediately tabs get created from all of those workbooks indicated here in this folder path, and I can show you all of them just entered in here. And this is awesome if you're doing a lot of exporting of information. You want to get it in one source. You can run this macro reoccurring to save you a bunch of time with those exports. I absolutely want to know what you think of this. Leave some comments below and subscribe. More macros to come. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to start using this macro today, just visit leveragelean.com. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect us on LinkedIn, check us out on Instagram. Stay awesome.